Well, it may not look like it, but this bike is actually very loved. It just had to sit for a while. We are going to restore this. It needs everything. But what's here is all straight and original, so we're going to reuse quite a lot of the original parts of this bike. Not including this LTD seat. But it's going to need the kitchen sink plating and powder coating and bodywork and carbs rebuilt and new fork tubes and Bob Harrington's going to make those look like new. Yeah, this will be a fun one to follow if you like the KZs. This is a 77 KZ1000 A1. So stay tuned. We're going to take this apart next week. So we'll have some fun when we do that, and we'll show you some photos after that. All right, have a great weekend.